Hey guys, it's the Lawn Barber here, back with you for another video. Today I'm bringing an unboxing video to you from Home Depot. I bought yesterday. I read the reviews on it yesterday. They said it was pretty good, so I went up to Home Depot and got it for 80 bucks to see how it worked. This blower here is I'm going to be using this for a little bit before I get my backpack blower, so this will become a backup. So let's get into the video and cue the intro. The blower I have today is the Homelite 2-cycle gas blower / vacuum. It was, like I said, 80 bucks, and it comes with a 30-day satisfaction guarantee and a 2-year limited warranty, so you don't have to get the replacement plan for you people that plan on probably going out to try this out yourself. It has a 3-in-1 blower, vacuum, and mulcher. It comes with the wet leaf nozzle and vacuum kit with 30% larger bag. It has high performance, best combination of speed plus volume, and let's get to unboxing. For the unboxing, I'll be using an oak box cutter, so let's get it open. Well, if it wants to stay out, we'll be using this old box cutter. Okay. The first thing that we come to is the first nozzle that goes on it. We'll sit that there. The second nozzle, third nozzle, this is the vacuum nozzle. It has a U-shape for this connects to the bag right here, and this part right here connects to the vacuum. Well, it's a blower. Then we have a bunch of cardboard, and then we have the actual Homelite blower. We have another nozzle and the last and final nozzle. So let's get to putting this thing together. Okay, the first thing I'm putting together is you need the directions, so let me get those out now. And here they are, and they come with a 15 oil. Throw that back in there. Let's open this up. I guess we'll learn how to put them together ourselves. Because evidently I don't see any instructions on how to put this thing together. Nope. So let's get it put together. That's not it. Oh, red. A lot of things. There you go. I guess this is it. I'm not sure. It's hard to figure it out, I guess. Okay, I think that goes like that. And then we can attach this nozzle for extra power. And I guess this goes in here like that. And I believe I have found the way that this goes on. I did put this top on wrong though, so let me get that on. Shoot, let's see if I can get it on. Okay, there we go. Sorry for the wind if the microphone was catching that. Like I said in the video yesterday, I have ordered a windscreen for my iPad. That's what I'm filming on right now. Because I don't want to go out and pay $500 for an expensive camera at the moment. And excuse my PJs. You know, I had to come out comfortable. Alright, let's see how this cranks up. Let's go to the parts of the blower. Alright, the first part of it has the gas knob or the gas container at the very bottom, which if you have a huge gas can, it will be pretty difficult to get the gas in here. The choke is right here at the top. You see it has full, half, and then run. And then you have the spark plug right here, have the stop button here, you have the auto assist right here, and you have, of course, the pull rope right there, as you can see. And that's about it. I'll get some footage of it cranking up, and I'll get some footage of it blowing and vacuuming up leaves in just a second. So stay tuned, and I'll be back with you guys in just a minute. Alright guys, it's time for the starting process. Let's get to it.